So I'm Blaženka Divjak. I'm full professor at University of Zagreb, Faculty of Organization and Informatics, full professor in mathematics. To use this model, it depends on several, let's say, it lays on several pillars. First of all, to have this kind of the learning outcome. Then, to see if this learning outcome is major one or it is just something that is a small learning outcome, not very heavy in your let's say course. And so to answer that, what we also prepared this year and presented at one EEE conference, you have a reference provided for you. It is to actually to find which learning outcomes are, let's say, related to each other, and also how heavy certain learning outcomes. So we use multi-criteria decision making to attach weights to different learning outcomes. So you can see here that different learning outcomes have different weights, and this learning outcome, for example, effectively work in a team on problem posing and problem solving, solving real problems related to graph theory and discrete mathematics, for us was by experts, given the highest weight of all. So it means that we can really also try to let's say put accent on this learning outcome and use student workload for achieving this higher student workload to achieving this outcome. So I would say that for those that are trying to use our approach, it should be clear that it is quite demanding one. So it means that you should really estimate if the learning outcomes, this type of learning outcome you have in your course is weighted enough to be let's say translated and aligned with this kind of activities I'm now described. So that's something that we can add to that. Then limitations are that if you have more students, more than 100 students, and not enough teachers to work with them, it can be really demanding to organize it. So the teacher workload is quite high. And then additionally, it would be always better if you have kind of a simulated working environment with employers, but finding employers that are prepared to work with students, not just to give them recipes, but really work with them, mentoring students also require that a kind of a training for employers.